History. Sealver, the French shipyard that revolutionized watercraft, owes its innovative success to the visionary founder who invented the Waveboat in 2006. Over a decade of dedicated refinement has led to Sealver becoming the epitome of shared freedom on the water. The patented compatibility kits enable the seamless connection of Jetskis to Waveboats, creating boats that magically transform from Jetskis into 4 to 8 meter vessels in seconds. Sealver's history is marked by a relentless pursuit of innovation, capturing the imaginations of boating enthusiasts with the extraordinary potential of these 2.0 shells. Best inventions. Sealver's groundbreaking Waveboat technology stands as its most remarkable invention. Unlike merely sailing a hull powered by a jet, Sealver introduced Waveboats that transmit and enhance the performance and pleasure associated with jet skis. This innovation allows for an evolved concept of navigation, blending towed sports, relaxation, convivial meals with family or friends, and the freedom to detach the jet in seconds. The ability to accommodate 5 to 10 people on board while offering the comfort of a sporty and designer boat distinguishes Sealver from any other boats in the market. Recent developments. Sealver's commitment to innovation continues with its extensive lineup of Waveboats, including the WB444, WB5-5, WB656, Z6 Havo, Z7 Havo, Z8 Havo, Z6 Hybris, Z7 Hybris, Z8 Hybris, WB575, and WB626. Each model represents the evolution of Sealver's technology, catering to various preferences and needs. The ongoing development reflects the company's dedication to providing cutting-edge solutions for both water sports enthusiasts and those seeking leisurely water activities. Current status. As of December 2023, Sealver stands at the forefront of the watercraft industry, embodying the best of both worlds with its transformative Waveboats. The company's mission revolves around enabling operations in previously inaccessible areas, navigating shallow depths and rough waters with ease.